Okay, after completing the assignment 1, we continue with assignment 2, which is practicing with the PowerShell. We can do this activity with one of the endpoint, and I choose to use the endpoint 2019. So we start the virtual machine and then log on. So this is a server endpoint. The license already expired, so we need to do the rearm. Open the administrative command, then run the slmgr.rearm, and after that we restart this machine. So you familiar with the command slmgr/rearm, then restart shutdown /r/0/t0. Okay, we log on again after restart. Okay, after that yeah, first I'm going to adjust the screen resolution to make it bigger, so nicer to see. Okay, then we're ready to open the PowerShell command as administrator. Yep, so adjust the color. Okay, first okay, the first command is a get command to display the list of the PowerShell command. Okay, then we're going to see the PowerShell command that related with the event log. So the command is a get -command -name *event log. -name is optional. You can type it or you can omit it. Okay, so first when you run the get command, then display, then after that we would like to practice with the get help, and the first time you type, then PowerShell will ask you to update the help file. It will download from the internet. You need the internet connection. After the help file downloaded, then we can see the more complete information about the command. You can add the options -full to display the full information about the command. Okay, yep, so try to type again. Get help, we saw the command is a get -event log. Okay, so yep, that's the command. So get help get -event log. Okay, so we see the explanation about this command. Okay, so we're going to practice other command. First, we're going to create 3 folders. The first is CZ1, then CZ2, using the command md. md is a DOS command to create the directory. md, make directory. Okay, then in the sysset1 we're going to create a few text file, just an empty file. We name it sysset file 01, yeah, sysset file 1, sysset file 2, and so on until 4 times, just to practice. This is just a blank file. Okay, we copy this 4 times, then after that we rename this file accordingly. Yeah, just rename the file. Okay, so after the files are created, okay, then another command is get the child item, which is to see the content of the folder in the sysset1. Okay, then you can see that the folder already display the content. Okay, then after the copy the item, yeah, you can pipe out the first command, which is get child item, to the copy to the destination, which is sysset2. So after that you saw that sysset2 already has the content. Now we're going to create a new folder, log files, yeah, with md, make directory. There is also PowerShell command to create the directory, yeah, but I'm more familiar with short command md. Yeah, it do the same thing. Yeah. So you can do some things or tasks with command line, MS-DOS command, yeah, or with the PowerShell. It doesn't matter. Whichever more convenient, you are more familiar, you can do that. Yeah. Okay, so we create a new file in the log files. The name is weekly files with command new item, and then follow with -path. So we check the folder with the get child item. You saw the file was created. Okay, then after that you can also use the dir command, yeah, the same. Yeah, okay, can also see the file was created already. Okay, so the next thing we do, clear the screen, and then we look for the command, get command verb, yeah, only the verb only, yeah. Then we want to export, yeah. Sorry, we want to get the command started with the export, yeah. So you can see the list of the command with the prefix the verb export there something, yeah. If you would like to save this list of the output, yeah, you can yeah, filter by using the pipe, then select object, the command type name, name, version, and then the source, yeah. So this is you want to save it into the text file, yeah. So we use the command export CSV, comma separated value, then followed by the CSV name. Yeah, specify the path to the destination folder, and then the file name. You can autocomplete, yeah, if you already know the prefix. Okay, good. Yeah. Now you go to the folder. You see that the command already been exported into the CSV file name export command.csv. After that, we check the content of the CSV file by using the tools like a notepad. You can just type the notepad.exe. After that, followed by the file name, and after that you will be able to see the content of the CSV file. Okay, so let me type the command. Okay, after that we're going to run another command, which is a task list. This one is not the PowerShell. This is another thing. Yeah, this is the command task list, which is available in our PowerShell or command, CMD. You would like to see the list of the tasks that currently running, and then export that into the file name CSV file. The name is tasklist.csv. Okay, then after you create this file, then you display, then open with the notepad. Okay, so